Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. First we need to open the quick panel on our phone. To open the quick panel on our phone, simply swipe downwards from the top of the screen twice. So once, oh my bad, 1 and 2, like this. Once you open the quick panel, you should see the screen recorder icon on it. If you don't see this icon on the quick panel, you can tap on the More Options icon, tap on Edit Buttons, find the screen recorder icon on this list, then press and hold on the quick screen recorder icon and drag it to the list below, then release it to drop it on the list. And once you're done, you can tap on the Done button, and now you should see the screen recorder icon on the list. And to start the recording, simply tap on the screen recorder icon. You'll see this menu. Here you can customize the recording before you start recording, and you have sound settings. Basically, you can select no sound. If you select this option, there will be no sound on your recording. If you select media sounds, there will be sound from the phone. So basically, anything that is played on your phone, like music, videos, and stuff like that, there will be sound recorded from that. And if you select media sounds and mic, this will record the sounds from the phone and your microphone. So if you want to talk during the recording and you want to record your voice, you need to select this option. Now select the option you like, and below you can also enable or disable the option called Show Taps and Touches. So basically, if you enable this option, it will show the place on the screen where you touch the screen while recording. Okay. Once you're done customizing the settings, tap on Start Recording. You will see the countdown, and once it's done, it's gonna start the recording. As you can see, this menu appeared, and the screen is being recorded now. On this menu, you have options like Draw. So if you tap on this option, you can tap on the color to select the color, and now you can draw on the screen. Next option is this. I believe it's a location. So if you enable this option, it will tag the location on the video. And another option is this camera option. Basically, if you tap on this button, it will enable the selfie camera on your phone, and you have a preview, and you can record the selfie camera during the screen recording. Okay. Next we have pause button. So if you want to pause the recording, you can tap on it and then resume it, and then stop button. So if you want to stop the recording, you can tap on the stop button to stop the recording and save your video. You can also hide this menu by tapping on this arrow. It's gonna be hidden now, and now you can swipe left on it to open it. Okay, so let's stop the recording. As you can see, it says recording saved. We can open the notifications. You will have the notification about the video being saved. You can tap on it and open the video to preview it if you want to see how it went. Okay. You can also customize some settings for your screen recorder. So to do it, let's open the settings by swiping upwards on the screen, tapping on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down, tap on Advanced Features. Here, scroll down, find the option called Screenshots and Screen Recorder, tap on it, and here we have the screen recorder category, and we have again the sound option, the video quality. You can select between 1080p, 720p, and 480p. Selfie video size, so basically the selfie video camera preview, you can make it large or small, depends what you like. And again, you can enable or disable the Show Taps and Touches, like this. Okay, and that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.